Hello guys, we are from Team HexClam. We have chosen a project for the telephone billing system. What we actually do is here give options for the creator to add to view existing records, to add extra records, and also to modify the records. Now my friend Harsha is going to explain the code we have written.
Hi guys. Basically, we created a structure which has the options like phone, name, and amount. Phone is a character of array, sorry, string. It's a string which can store the phone number, and name is used to store the string of the subscriber's name, and amount is used to give the money that can be paid as recharge plan. And we have basically included some of the functions to do this code. They are add the record. It adds the records of the new subscribers and list records. This function will display all the subscribers that are presently there in our plan, and it also allows you to make the payments through this application. And also we can modify the details of the subscriber using the modify records, and also we can delete the subscriber permanently, and also we can search a particular subscriber by his phone number. Now coming to the main code, I basically have created a binary file by name database which can store the records of the subscribers. And let me show you the code. This is the front page of our application, this part, and it pop-ups for just some 2 seconds roughly. Now coming to the main body of the program, this is all which displays till here, the switch case. In this we have included all the functions that I have previously told you, all these functions in different cases. And based on what input we give, it executes the code. When we give the input as A, it goes to the add records. This basically is to add some new user into the database, or that is simply to the file database. And here it continuously will be asking you to enter some new records. It only stops asking you when you press the key escape on your keyboard. Now coming to the list of records, this basically displays all the record, that is nothing but all the subscribers list. And we can also delete the records, that is nothing but the subscriber who don't want to use this, we can completely delete them from the database. And also we can search the records, nothing but the subscribers, using their phone number. And also we can modify the records. Now I'll show you the execution of this program. This is a pop-up message which I have told, and I can enter any of this from the keyboard as input. I wanted to add some name. For suppose, let me press A. It is asking us to enter some phone number. I'll randomly enter some number. Sorry. And I wanted to enter some amount of 100 rupees. It has successfully entered, and I want to add some other's name. Now when I press the escape key, it will come back to the menu, and let us view that the new subscribers are added or not. So let us go to the list of records. It has successfully got added. These two are the things that I have added, right? You can see it here. Now we can also modify the records. As I told, we'll press M, and we need to enter the number of the subscriber, and I'm entering it. Now enter the new number which you wanted to update, like with the user. Some random number I'm entering, and also the name again, and the amount again. Now let us again check the list of records. It successfully has got updated, right? Now we can also delete the records. Suppose I want to delete the number which I have previously added, 987654321. It has successfully been deleted. So once we'll verify whether it's deleted or not, let's again see the list of records. And also we can search the records based on the members in the similar way. And we can exit the application by pressing capital E. That's it. Thank you.